noticed there's no car on our Weld Tables chassis jig. We took it off yesterday. We built a little cart, that way we can kind of roll it around in the paint shop. It makes them have a little easier time working on it. But it's very odd to see nothing on here. What a big part of this car build, really. You know, you think about what we built on this. We started with just raw materials. You know, you look at the material behind us here, this is what we started with. This is tubing and sheet metal. And we built it all off our Weld Tables. So can't say enough good things about this. Awesome chassis jig. Can't wait to do the next one. So here's a few things that we've been working on. You can see on the front of this car, as with the entire car, but this is more obvious to see, all these tabs and brackets and mounting points. And I mean, they're just everywhere. Every tab, every bracket does something. You got to mount something to it. You know, up here, here's our upper A-arms, shock mount, lower A-arms, Zeus tabs, fire system mounts, anti-roll bar, radiator support, more radiator support, front end support. It just goes on and on and on. The whole car looks like this on the bottom side. It's just that this is much more obvious and plain to see. All right, well, today it's finally the day we deliver it to the paint shop. We're about 15 minutes away from actually loading this thing up. It's been a hectic week. A lot of late nights, weekends, early mornings, everybody all hands on deck on this thing. So we're gonna load this thing up. We're gonna send it off to Vescio's. House Colors supplying all the product for this, which is totally awesome and really the best paint out there you can find. So once we get to Vescio's, it's all on them. They're gonna do their thing. I have 100% faith in these guys. They're going to take care of it. You know, I'll just let them tell you what they're going to do.
We've been here all morning. We were here super late last night. Today's the due date. Giving birth to this car to the painters.
Are all still friends?
No, we all hate each other. Greg said after he leaves to drop this off, we can call him names behind his back.
Yep.
That's what he told us last night.
Bad names.
He was a little delusional, but he also said $1,000 bonuses all around.
You can see it's pretty naked, really, but that's the way it is. You got to build them all the way up, tear them completely down, send them to paint, and then reassemble. So let's load this thing up. I'm exhausted. Let's go to the paint shop. Get anything done today or what?
No.
That's good. Save it all for tomorrow. Why not go ahead and go down a little bit more. Open that side door and then turn the lights on.
Greg, what is that?
You're all right.
Look like they chopped up Chris Gunn. Oh, okay, so that's all gonna zoom together.
Yeah, it's all Zeused in.
Yep.
So
So that's gonna fit real nice. We'll just finish right up to the edge.
exactly.
Either one. And
Yeah. It's 528 Hemi, 426 based Hemi, fuel injected, naturally aspirated, ethanol. We got like 3 hours.